Sonic Fusion by Waterpik combines the power of an advanced sonic electric toothbrush with the proven effectiveness of the Waterpik water flosser in one convenient, easy-to-use device. The sonic toothbrush thoroughly cleans the surfaces of the teeth, while the water flosser in the center of the brush head cleans between teeth and below the gum line where toothbrush bristles can't reach. Three operation modes and 2 replaceable nozzles to satisfy daily oral hygiene needs of the whole family. Effectively and efficiently removes plaque and bacteria between teeth to improve overall oral health, providing healthier gum and brighter teeth. IPX7 waterproof design is adopted both internally and externally to provide dual protection. The intelligent design prevents leakage and allows it to be used safely even in the bathroom, and its USB rechargeable design, powerful lithium battery provides convenience and flexibility. Never worry about dead batteries, ideal for travel. A professional cordless dental flosser for the whole family. Compact and convenient, the advanced design of the Aquarius water flosser includes pulse modulation technology for maximum plaque removal, floss mode, and enhanced gum stimulation for improved circulation, hydro-pulse massage mode. It includes a 1-minute timer with 30-second pacer to ensure thorough water flossing of all areas, and a water on/off button is built into the handle.